Welcome back, guys. This is part 3 of the 5 video series on the Grand Moon Palace. This video will show you the different various foods you should expect to see at the Grand Moon Palace. Also, please keep in mind that these restaurants in this video is only for the grand guests. This is the Steakhouse. You need to make reservations at least 2 days ahead to eat here. I think the food was pretty good. There was a decent variety of appetizers. However, the cocktail drinks were very poor quality. The steak we requested was medium rare, but arrived medium well done. Not a perfectly cooked steak, but it was still pretty good. Next is Los Tacos. This place should not be called a restaurant because it is literally outdoor eating at the side of a pool. The tacos were delicious. However, there was so much guests that I could not even get a glass of ice water. They just gave me a bottle of room temperature water. The vibe was too hectic and busy that it was impossible to wind down and relax. So this morning I just got some regular, very simple breakfast. So I got avocado toast with chocolate croissant, oatmeal. What's this? Yogurt. And cereal with a pot of coffee, creamer, sugar. This right here is Jade, the Asian fusion restaurant. This is one of my favorite restaurants at the Grand. I would say this is one of the best restaurants in any Cancun resort. I like this place so much that video part 4 is dedicated just to show everything we ate here. Check out part 4 when it's uploaded in a few days. There was just so much variety and the dishes were all cooked well. And also, the cocktails were delicious. There's nothing to say, but this restaurant was really, really good. This is La Cantina, the Spanish food. This is the first time I've seen the fresh cocktails made this way. The cocktails were really good, but that's pretty much it for this place. To me, the food was not tasty. The dish choices were limited and nothing was particularly tasty or special. I left the meal feeling unsatisfied. I want to mention that during my stay at the Grand, their main buffet area was not open for dinner, and they quote, due to COVID. To me, that's a pretty weak excuse. Since all of the Grand restaurants, you are supposed to make reservations before dining. You're pretty much out of luck about what to do if your original place is not to your liking. In other Cancun resorts, usually if the restaurant dining was not satisfactory, you could always hit up the buffet. But you can't do that here at the Grand. Wow. Oh my God, I love this place. This is Habibi, the Lebanese food. The decor and ambience was so awesome. I love the food, the decor, the music, the vibe. The staff were very nice and attentive. I really felt like this place was a totally different place from the Grand. It's as if this place was independently operated. Everything was perfect. the drinks, the food. There was an enormous selection of dishes and desserts. In my opinion, the Grand Moon Palace is worth staying just one night just to eat at this place. I love this place so much that the episode video part 5 is dedicated for this restaurant. Check it out if you're interested in seeing the foods they have to offer here. So that's it for the part 3 of the 5-part series of the Grand Moon Palace. I hope you guys liked the video and it was helpful to you. Keep in mind that video part 1 is the room tour, part 2 is the kids club water park, part 4 will be about the Asian restaurant, and part 5 will be about this restaurant, Habibi. Please subscribe to the channel if you're interested. If you like this video, please click the like button. As always, many thanks for watching. Have a nice day.